Forward march, 1. Backward march, 1. Forward march, 1. Why are you running? Why are you running? Where are you running to? You are who there for so long?
Eh? Where's Afusa? Ha! Afusa.
Oh no, Baba! Forward march, 1. Backward march, 1. Forward march, 1. Why are you running? Why are you running? Where are you running to? You are who there for so long?
Eh? Where's Afusa? Ha! Afusa.
Oh no, Baba!
When you won't want me, I'm in San Francisco, Johnny. Jesus!
Come on, enter that vehicle. When we get to the station, you go tell me who they look for you.
Oh no, Baba!
My friend, enter that vehicle. They go, Joe. Rubbish. They are looking for you. Around nonsense. Enter that vehicle, I say. Doing gangster rubbish inside this envelope.
Listen, mommy, me, I know your body is calling you. Because dreamland, can't wait to get another taste of you. Because my head is there for shaggi, my heart is there for shaggi. You got me feeling like a shaggi. How you they make me look at you and even if I'm shaggi. You put me for your natural face, supernatural beauty. I say, good, you're not good. Tell me I'm down with the natural beauty. If you ain't natural, then it ain't beauty.
And what rubbish are you doing early this morning? And what causes all those Ijoshi? Will you please open the gate for me and let me go to my house? Oh, the trend. Then you are a fool. Do you think I will sack you? So you can fly away and be saying my company is bad? We die here. If you like, dance Zazu, Okotua, or dance or even the leg walk. What's in the color? Leg walk or butterfly leg or dance like this. We die here. Will you come out of my gate and let me enter my office? Doing leg work early in the morning. No leave, no transfer. Who is sacking who? Rubbish.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
I beg you. Me, I need this scholarship. We dance enter anyway.
Don't sleep. Wake up. Collect your money. Wake up. Collect your money.
Young lady.
Hi.
Are you going my way?
You are so funny. Hey? You are going this way, and I'm going this way.
No. Oh. You know? Anything for you. I can turn now. And go your way.
This man!
500,000 naira.
Sorry. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Oh, you mean the spare tire? I am not selling my spare tire. I just bought this car last week. It's a new car.
Who is talking about your spare tire? I mean 500k if you want to go my way. And you also take me to Misiano at Lekki Phase 1 for my skincare products. And also my birthday is coming, so you need to buy me 2 bone straight for my birthday that is coming.
And I'm boning you straight right now. Just go your own way. My own way is not that expensive. No, now. Oga, wait. This one is too much. Can I just get a lift? Lift, kill you there.
I don't enter one chance. With all the wig where I carry safe. Eh? So, go beat me tire.
What happened? She's what?
Jesus! Jesus!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Jesus! Jesus!
Pull up.
Shukura.
Hey, Auntie Eten,
How far now?
please, our sister gave us an assignment to solve at home. Please come and help me.
Eh? So what is the name of the subject?
Just mathematics.
Mathematics?
Auntie Rachel, what happened?
Not at all. Mathematics, right?
Abi, they did not teach you mathematics when you were in school?
Not like that, oh. In fact, when I was in school, I used to have A1, B2, B3
I know.
in all my mathematics, calculus, statistics, further math, everything. I clear it all.
Yes, so you teach me this one very well too. I will get 100 mark.
It's okay. You don't need to thank me. So, what is the topic?
It's geometric sequence.
Oh, that one. Under AP and GP.
Yes.
AP and GP, no, that one.
Arithmetic and geometric progression.
Yes, you got it. You get that one. Oh yeah, read it out.
If
Hello, babe. Yes, don't mind me. Yeah. No, yes, I'm on my way. So is everybody there? Okay, yes, just make a nice table for me. Yes, I love that NSC, you know, I love that bonbon. Yes. So what else? What of your in-law?
She what?
No one even call your children like.
What? Are you mad or something?
Hey, see wahala o. That small pikin. Go meet her for assignment o. Yes.
Jesus is Lord. Oh no.
Think say you dey wise.
now wow, if I don't tell me say you don't know anything now, eh? If I don't go meet another person, see her hearing. You just carry big head like Budma solution. Nothing. Get her head.
I went to school.
Abuse her well.
Let me go and meet that security man. I know say that one go better. Rubbish. Auntie Rachel Olodo.
Some people don't even know when to call.
Run.
Good morning, mama. Hey, this is how good students supposed to look like.
Yes.
Hey, Ubeshe Murabi Omoluabi. See how decent you are looking. You are looking so beautiful. You are looking so fine. At least we can now recognize students from riffraff. How one riffraff? Oh, le sorti e pada o. You can say your own back. Once you are ready to graduate inside your parlor, tó bá ti ready láti graduate nínú yàrá yín. Nonsense. So class jare, this is well encouraging.
Continue.
At least I can recognize each and every one of you now. So right now, let us go straight to today's topic. Excuse me, ma.
Yes.
You gave us an assignment the last time. Shut up! Why are you guys making noise? Is it not right for her to remind me? Ẹ̀yin bunch of olodo yìí. Rubbish. So Afusa, come and solve the assignment on the board.
70 years old man.
Afusa, what happened to her? She's not feeling too fine, ma. She's not feeling too well. Sorry, oh. So you can come and solve the problem on the board.
She what?
Afusa. Jesus! Look on the class. Stand there. I better stand up. She's calling you. Ma. In my class, in my presence. Ma, she's well now. She can answer you very well. Afusa, don't worry again. Rachel, come and solve the assignment on the board. ASAP. Ma. Rachel, I'm still waiting for you to come and solve the assignment on the board. Ma, I'm not feeling too well, so let me know first where before she. So she know where, I know where. Two of us, we know where. Now only this girl, she where. Rachel, for the last time, come and solve the assignment on the board. But ma, it's Afusa that's. Then I saw one man kankan. All let the daughter ọmọdóge lọ. Tí bá ṣe pé bóyá mo sùn. Money sleepless night. What is there? Show you about the kiss, eh? Now only you sabi. Blue, 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 blue. You cannot just keep your mouth shut just for one minute. Amurasun. Assignment ko assignment ni. You know? Yes, yes. Mrs. Gladys on the line. What? What happened? No, like what happened to him? I don't understand. You people should wait, oh. You people should wait for me. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'll be there right now. I'm coming. Class, see you next time. See you. Bye-bye. Yes. Hey. I told you, the Lord I'm serving will never disappoint me. Surely, Afusa, only she already. Do you think you can disgrace me? You know, Lepa. And you about the kids, don't worry. After this class, I will disgrace you. Àwẹ̀, ìwọ kò wà lórí ìnáró ni kó o tó jókòó. Kí ni a mí pè ní fáwẹ́lì àìránmúpè? My village people at work again, no.
May God not allow them, let them kill me.
Afusa, good morning. Good morning, yo. And welcome to our company. Like, I don't believe I'm meeting you for real because I love all your comedy, I love all your videos, everything about you. I love it. Can I just do this and say you like this that we are talking?
Excuse me. Can I just do the talking?
Sorry, sir.
Madam PA, when I told you to get a contact for me, did you?
Sir, these people are celebrities, so to get their number is always hard.
Really? But I got the contact. I got the damn contact. Okay. Rubbish. You are welcome, Ojare, Madam Afusa, and I'm glad to welcome you to this Abaniwara here under the supervision of ACP Limited. We have seen all the good work that you have been doing on Afusa Comedy Production. So, on behalf of me, as the MD of this organization, and my team, we want to officially sign you as one of our ambassador in this organization, and you are not going to regret it.
Say Lalani, am I inside my dream? Me, ambassador.
So you are going to sign here.
I don't know, make I show off small. Let me show everyone what I perceive in life. It's not easy. Here for the money, yale. Hi everyone, it's your girl, Auntie Afusa. To all of you that have a aeroplane that say Afusa will not go far. I've go very far now. I am now ambassador for Abaniwara here. Kebade, bá mi sasi fún wọn. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé I don't use the hair. It's too expensive for my hustle. Like this Abaniwara here now, they say this one is 140,000 naira. Here we be say if you enter Osodi, near under bridge, lower level, you can price this here 7,000 naira.
Are you mad or something?
And if you price it very well, they will sell two for you 12,000. And like this kind here say if you use it finish, you go dey use your hair like this, pinch it. This here is full of sample. Anyway, sir, I just say I should break the good news for you because I am now their ambassador. Bye. See you. Bye bye. So, director, Where should I sign? What should I do? I say anything? You must open this thing. You say, I must sign it. What should I do? Did I say anything bad? I will not live here. Security, son. I don't like you at all. One bit like this. I did not like you. You don't like me. Who cares if you don't like me? What I want to do with your like? Now me they talk to like that. See the way you are replying me. So how have I replied you before? In fact, I am totally disappointed in you. Totally. The other staff that you are not disappointed in, how much you don't give them? Really? Are you seriously asking me such a nasty question? What will be the financial value of your disappointment?
He shock you.
If you don't like me, now your while be that.
Yes.
You must be very stupid. If you say I'm stupid, I will say you are stupid too. No respect at all. Me, the only PA in this ACP company.
You be mumu.
Do you know I can facilitate your sack letter? Now. No be you employ me. No be you they pay me. So you cannot sack me. Whoever when no fit give me money, no fit stress me, no fit frustrate me, no fit give me a deco. Make you know like that. Can you just get the off and let me go to my office? Go. Make you enter. Make I no use the gate. Knock your toothpick leg for you. Idiot. I go though. Hey, when I see me see wahala o. Una know why she say she no like me. She talk say make I leave gate, go buy food for am. So go dey gate, make thief enter. Ha! Hey, it is well yo. I don't even know wetin I dey lis ten to sef.
Whoever does not give me money cannot give me headache. Once somebody is real, we have problem with the person. You are real, you are called arrogant. You are real, you are called.
Okay. Madam. One this right here that just bring this document. No. Just carry and come. I just hope it's not the document that I'm expecting and you are excusing with your dirty hand. Auntie, my hand not dirty oh. Very clean. Oh, you can just say I'm blind now. Idiot.
Sorry.
If you know the importance of this document, you will not even dare to hold it like that. Like a trash. And what is the importance? And how is that your business? Because you are just asking me stupid question now. Have you bought the fuel I asked you to buy? Auntie, there is first scarcity oh. If I go now, na till evening I go come back oh. No road, nothing. The queue too much. Are you mad? So are you telling me to go and carry the keg and go and buy fuel? I don't understand.
Yes.
No ma, I just tell you what they saw for the country. No verse, I better take your. Will you just get out of my sight and go and get me the fuel before I change my mind? Idiot. Don't they talk to somebody anyhow? Excusing my documents. If I don't get I'm looking for a job and they say okay oh, you need to provide your original documents. You now think I will now stoop so low and be requesting for my documents. After many years that I've left school, I don't even remember the years that I've left school. I'm now requesting for documents and this guy stoops so low to excuse my documents. Idiot. Don't worry. Oh, my rice. Oh. Who is the owner of this book? Who is the owner of this book? Which kind? What's this?
Oh shit!
Yeah. Who is this animal now? Animal bo. Where is the animal? You are the animal. You this fool.
She what?
Move. What can I do? See the way you are spreading my original certificate on this dirty floor.
She what?
Because I don't understand. No, as I dey come, I dey go, I see your paper, say make I help you pick am. If you repeat any statement there, I will slap you. Do you even know I have my wife, I have my NECO, I have my OSD, I have my JAM, I have my master certificate in what you are holding. So sorry. Well, I wasn't surprised. Since your educational level no pass common entrance level. Jesus! So you not know the value of what you are holding. You will not know and you will never know. Auntie, calm down. I no do evil for you. As I dey waka go, I see your paper scattering on the floor. I don't know that is your important. Can you just see your life. You cannot even construct a simple sentence.
There is God in everything we are doing.
Can you just drop that thing that you are holding? My certificate.
They never show you say you be mumu.
My original certificate.
Think say you dey wise. Daniel, sorry, oh.
My certificate.